Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check the data usage in your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, first thing you're going to want to do is go into your setting on your iPhone. From there on, you're going to click on cellular. And from the cellular section, gives you the idea of your data usage down below here where it says cellular. Now, this could say mobile as well. So if you go back and you don't see cellular, you should click on mobile. And if depending on what region you're on, you'll see cellular or mobile data, and it gives you an idea of how much data you have been using. Here I'm using about 6.56 gig. Also gives you an idea of apps that are using it by certain percentage. You can sort by the names as well as an option. Now this cellular data usage period now doesn't reset unless you manually reset it. So in order to reset it yourself, you need to go down all the way to the bottom where it says reset cellular statistics, and it gives you an idea when the last time you reset it. So if you wanted to keep a track of a monthly one along with your cellular plan, you can reset it manually every month so that you can get an idea how much data you're using or keeping track. If you want to stay under a specific limit, just simply click on reset and it will reset it back to 0 as well. But that's how you can check your cellular data usage in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do consider a like and subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and giveaways on our channel. We'll see you guys the next time.